Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig install, and this wig is from UNICE. However, this is from their Amazon store. This is their black and blonde highlight 7x5 by knots wig. I have it in 24 inches and in 180% density, and as you guys can see, the highlights in this wig is super pretty, and I feel like the black undertone underneath it just really sets it off. And this wig does come with baby hairs, by the way. So of course I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing before we get started. One thing about UNICE, they're going to send you a bunch of goodies along with your wig. So here's the wig here. Once again, this is their black and blonde highlight 7x5 by knots wig. The knots on this lace is pretty much see-through. They are definitely invisible. It does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and with baby hairs for you. And of course this is 100% glueless. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on into the tutorial. So you guys already know I'm going to give you some more close-ups, especially of the wig cap in itself. Remember that this is a lace closure wig, you guys. However, it is a 7x5, so you do have a lot of lace room. This wig is 100% glueless and secure. It comes with the non-slip silicone base, the comb, as well as the adjustable strap for a nice glueless and secure wig install. So keep that in mind also. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just add some foundation onto that lace. Even though this is a by knots wig, which means that the lace pretty much comes ready to go for you. You don't have to do any bleaching or anything. You still need to make sure that the lace matches your skin color, so that is the reason why I'm adding the foundation. After that, you're going to adjust the adjustable strap and then just go ahead and throw the wig on. Now, I will say that the wig cap fit great. However, I already knew that because this is a 7x5 lace closure wig, I'm probably going to have to use some spray to really have that lace just stay secure. Sometimes the lace is a little bit too loose on me with these 7x5 wigs, so I am going to go ahead and get all of the hair away from the lace and secure her down with some spray. Hopefully you guys can see that it's really not the melting of the lace that was going to be an issue. It's just that she wasn't laying as flat as possible. So in these clips, I will just be showing you that I'm just adding a thin layer of some lace spray just to make sure that she is laying as flat as possible. That way I can really get the natural melt. Okay, she is already looking amazing. So now I'm just going to let her melt underneath my elastic band because I just don't want her to move. So we really want to secure it in place. Alright, the elastic band is off. She is looking amazing. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit more foundation and just dab it on areas wherever I see the lace, just to make sure everything is blended in nicely with my skin color. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to get all of the hair away from the lace, because it is time for us to add a little bit more foundation in the middle part, and then we're also going to do the baby hairs as well. Now, because this wig does come with baby hairs, I will be utilizing them for this video, so I decided it was easier to keep a middle part because I don't really like side parts with baby hairs. I feel like it looks weird. So to make sure that we are utilizing the baby hair and to show you guys how I would finesse it, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the middle part because that is what's easiest. Now when it comes time to actually add the foundation in the middle part, I am going to use a lighter foundation than the one that I used before because I want this to mimic my scalp, and your scalp is a lot lighter than your natural skin tone. Okay, so now it is time to do these baby hairs. So they pretty much have it laid out for you already, which is great. You can either leave it this way or you can fix it up however you choose to, right? But they pretty much gave you a really good head start. So I went in with some edge control, and then I'm going to use the comb side of my edge brush to really just get the shape of the baby hair that I am looking for, and then I'm just going to set it in place. Okay, baby hairs are laid, the lace is laid, so now it's time to move on to the rest of the hair. Now you guys know me, I love to do this method on each and every one of my wigs. I will be going in section by section with my wax stick and my hot comb just to ensure that the top of the wig is laying extremely flat, but also I really want to mold the wig to lay in a way that I want it to. That way it covers up all that excess lace and you guys will see the difference later on. Okay, so just like that, this one side is completed. Now take a look at the difference, you guys. That is why I do this method. You see how it covers up all that excess lace and all the excess baby hair? Yeah, so I did the other side off camera and that is what she is looking like. Looks a whole lot more natural to me, a whole lot more pleasing to the eye. So now it's time to style the rest of the hair. I curled one side off camera, so I'm going to show you guys how I curl the other side. You guys know me, hairspray, wax stick, curling wand, that's literally all that I use. I keep my methods very nice and simple, and you guys have seen me do this a million times already. So let's go ahead and just talk about the quality of the hair while you guys watch me curl it. In my personal opinion, I loved the quality of this hair. UNICE hair has so many great things about them, and one of the things that I love about their wigs is just the quality of their hair overall. Even though this is their Amazon store, they still did a really good job, and I feel like this is of great quality. So I had minimal shedding, minimal tangling, and I also feel like the hair was very nice and silky smooth to the touch. There wasn't too many flyaways, which you guys know is something that I cannot stand. I didn't have that issue at all. So overall, I was very pleased. I was definitely pleased with the Bye Bye Knots lace. I feel like they did a really good job, and the fact that this lace does come with baby hairs, is pre-plucked, is pre-cut, it is really simple and easy for beginners. Not to mention, you guys, this is a 7x5 lace closure, so the fact that you actually have options when it comes to different hairstyles is great. You're not too limited because you do have a lot of lace room. The melt was absolutely amazing, which you guys could see on camera, and of course the blonde highlights on top of this black base is just absolutely beautiful, and I feel like it complements my skin tone very well. So overall, I was pleased. Now that the curls have cooled down, I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair. That way I could kind of get a lot more of that density back and get more of an effortless curly type of look. But as you guys can see, she is absolutely beautiful, and I was definitely happy with the final result. Super easy to style, super easy to install overall. So this is a really good beginner friendly type of wig. Comment down below and let me know if you are bold enough to try this color. I know I've gotten some comments in the past where some of you guys are actually scared to try some highlighter wigs. Trust me, I used to be the same way. Don't be scared, girl. Don't be scared. You just got to get something that actually matches your skin tone. So a highlighter wig like this works best for a lot of my brown skin girlies, a lot of my darker skin girlies, because it has the majority of that natural black base. This is probably something that you want to look for if you're interested in trying some highlighter wigs versus you actually going straight towards, you know, the brown blonde ones. Start with this one first, and I promise you, you'll be shocked as to how well it looks on you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time.